Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Fine-Tuning LLMs with PEFT, LoRA. Customizing a giant brain for your niche. Imagine a super smart generalist assistant, that's an LLM. Large language model, like ChatGPT. It knows a lot about everything. But what if you need a specialist? What if you want an AI assistant that only talks about your company's specific products? Or writes code in your unique style? You can't expect the generalist to be perfect at your niche job right out of the box. This is where customizing, or fine-tuning, comes in. These giant brains are enormous. Built on massive amounts of data and requiring supercomputers to train. Trying to fully retrain one to learn something new is like trying to rewrite an entire encyclopedia. Just to add a new chapter. It's incredibly expensive, takes forever, and you might accidentally make it forget all the other important things it knew before. This is called catastrophic forgetting. For us developers, this means huge bills and endless waiting. Instead of rewriting the whole encyclopedia, what if we could just add a small, dedicated section for new information? That's the core idea of fine-tuning. We take an existing, highly intelligent LLM and teach it a little bit more about a very specific topic. It's like a doctor specializing in cardiology after general medical school. They build on existing knowledge without starting from scratch. This is where our heroes, PEFT, parameter efficient fine-tuning, and LoRA, low-rank adaptation, come in. Think of them as giving the giant brain a tiny, dedicated notepad or a set of sticky notes. When the brain learns new, specialized information, it only writes on these notes, leaving its main memory untouched. This means we only train a tiny fraction of the brain's total parameters, saving massive amounts of computing power, time, and money. For developers, this translates directly to using much cheaper hardware and getting results faster. How does LoRA specifically work? Instead of changing the original, massive number of settings, parameters, inside the LLM, LoRA cleverly adds a few new, much smaller trainable matrices. We can think of them as tiny adapters or lenses. These adapters are attached to specific layers within the LLM. When we train the model with our specific data, only these small adapters are updated, effectively tuning the giant brain to our specific task without altering its fundamental knowledge. It's like adding specialized glasses that help the brain focus better on your niche, without changing the brain itself. For developers, PEFT, LoRA is a game changer because it means 1. Less GPU power. Asterisk you can fine-tune powerful LLMs even on a single consumer-grade GPU, like one in a gaming PC, instead of needing a server farm. 2. Faster training. Asterisk training times are drastically reduced, from days or weeks to hours or even minutes. 3. Smaller models. The specialized notepad, the LoRA adapters, is tiny, often just megabytes, making your custom AI model much easier to share and deploy. This democratizes access to advanced AI customization. So, when would you use this? Imagine these possibilities for your projects. Custom chatbots. Asterisk build a chatbot that answers questions only about your company's specific product catalog or internal documents. Specific writing styles. Asterisk train an AI to write marketing copy in your brand's unique voice, or generate legal briefs with specific jargon. Code generation, review. Asterisk adapt an LLM to generate code in your team's preferred framework or review code according to your internal standards. Medical, legal AI. Asterisk create specialized AI assistants that understand highly technical domain-specific language. Ready to dive in? Libraries like Hugging Face Transformers and PEFT make implementing LoRA surprisingly straightforward. You load a pre-trained LLM. Define your LoRA configuration, telling it where to add the adapters. Prepare your specific dataset, and start training. It's truly enabling individual developers to customize cutting-edge AI for their unique ideas, turning generalist, giant brains into specialized experts for any niche. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.